Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you around this all-new 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX. The 190 SPX integrates a hull design designed for the rough bays around here with 19 degrees of dead rise, 2 lifting strakes that run the full length of the hull, inverted chines for a stable dry ride, nice high freeboard on the side, of course beautiful stainless steel work that you come to expect from Sea Ray. As you come around to the back of this boat, it's very unique. You get a nice big swim platform that's extremely versatile, even though it's an outboard engine. So an adult can actually walk around the swim platform and still have plenty of room to sit down. As you come around here, you'll see she's powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard engine and has a nice 4-step stainless steel ladder. Here we are inside this new 2021 Sea Ray SPX. So first thing you'll notice is the integrated companionway with steps down into the cockpit. Nice big sun pad across the back of the boat. Stainless steel tow bar standard. Nice big sunbrella bimini top. The helm seat features a flip-up bolster. Our helm is very ergonomically laid out with stainless steel bezels. Over here to the port, we have a nice convertible seat. Right now it's set up as a 2-person bench seat, but the forward cushion folds away to give you a nice forward-facing seat for a single occupant. What's really unique about the 190 SPX is we bring our beam forward on this even though it's a sport class boat. So a full-grown adult can actually sit on the front of this boat and sit their legs out. With the beam coming forward, it also gives you better storage underneath all the seats. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of Sea Rays, or call me directly, 407-394-7623.